You're not gonna believe how easy it is to make the famous cream of chicken soup at home with just 3 ingredients. All you need is a small pot to get started, and we're gonna turn on our heat over medium heat. We don't wanna burn the milk, so that's why we do it over medium. We're gonna add our milk to the bottom of the pan. Now, a lot of people ask me for a substitute because they want to make their favorite family recipes just a little bit healthier. And on this channel, I am all about easy and simple family-friendly recipes. And while I don't use cream of chicken often, it is definitely a good staple to know how to make for when you want to toss it with some chicken breast and some veggies, make a quick casserole in the oven, or something that's very rich and delicious and with simple ingredients. So to our milk that's heating up, I'm going to use some bouillon paste. As you can see, I use it a lot. I'm gonna make sure I link this below this video. You have this everywhere in your grocery stores. So we just put it in our pan like this. And as the milk heats up, we are going to use a whisk to combine it. Now you wanna do that with warm milk, not when the milk is boiling or anything, because you don't wanna burn it. And after that, we are gonna take some cream cheese and add it to our pot. Now I just have a block of cream cheese here. You can use regular or light cream cheese for this recipe. So I'm gonna take that and place the cream cheese in our pot. And with a whisk, I'm going to slowly move it around to dissolve the cream cheese into the milk mixture. Now, in case you're wondering if you can make this dairy-free, I have not yet found a good dairy-free solution to avoiding the can of cream of chicken. So I'll keep trying, and when I do, I'll share it with you guys on this channel. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button so we can hang out, cook together, and you can find out when a new recipe is released a couple times a week. Common complaint is that the cream of cans tend to be a bit bland, and then you have to over season your food to make up for it. So I like to add to this, as my cream cheese is dissolving, some thyme or poultry seasoning. Just a little bit goes a long way, so it can add some flavor. Once the mixture comes to a low simmer, you're going to want to reduce the heat to low and give it about 2 minutes. And after that, guys, your cream of chicken is ready to be used in your favorite recipe. See you next time.